Okay, guys, he's still over here. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's bubbles everywhere. Oh my gosh. See where you'll see that? There's a bunch of bubbles. Come on. Okay, I'll just leave him alone now. Just leave the bubbles. Okay. We're gonna do tricks with my fidget spinners, okay? Let me get him out. Not me. You're lazy. Let me check this. Okay, that's okay, we're gonna leave it like that for now. Let's okay, first off, one of my favorites, the neon one. Ooh, baby. Subscribe and comment down below what kind of tricks do you think I should do with them, if I can do them. Okay. Sorry for the neighbors. Middle finger spin. Yeah, I'm the pro. Okay. Whatever. How does I do this? That hurts. Bubbles, can you help me out here, please? Mr. Bubbles, can you help me out? Nobody try that. Comment down below if you ever tried that and it hurt your teeth. Because it hurts a lot. These bubbles won't get them on my face. Here's my gold one. But it hurt. I bet it would hurt if this hit my tooth. It probably hurt a lot. How much you want it? Oh, there's my cat. Come on. Yes, my cat's name's Cat. Come on, baby. She had 6 kittens. They're so adorable. Look at her. Oh, Garrett, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. I'm sorry. So mean. She's just like me. And trust me, she likes Skittles. I gave her a Skittle before and she like ate it. I was like, oh my gosh. Kmart, sweetheart, just ate a Skittle. I don't think it's good for cats to eat Skittles, but anyways. Yeah, because I don't know many tricks, so can y'all like comment down below what ones I can do? And let's get hit to 30 likes. Come on, guys. Come on. To all my Skittle lovers. I love you, Skittle lovers. Peace out, Skittle lovers. Bye, Bubbles. Just get my face. Get out my face, Bubbles.